So, if you know anything about Corinne and I, we love our coffee. When we come to Maine, the Shooty household has this weird grudge against coffee. They're all tea fanatics around here. So, in order to get us the proper fix of caffeine, we have to bring our own stuff, which means we need something portable and convenient. So we have this hand grinder that absolutely sucks, and it makes my forearms and my hands hurt like crazy. And then we bring our pour over. There's probably a better option, but this is what we do. Every time we stop in Portland, we always stop and get Tandem. It's just what you gotta do in Portland, Tandem coffee. And I know you need a gooseneck kettle to make a good pour over. Well, they don't have one, so we're gonna use this guy.
Let's come in.
It's a good cup. Just a day on the pond. Snow finally came. All right, we'll send it. Do it. That was so cold. Full send. You only live once. Guys, it's 19 degrees out in Maine. What are we doing? We're at the farm, about to play some Catan. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I loved it.
Was it great?
It was.
Yeah, it was so great.
It was my favorite thing ever.
We out. The love.
Aww. I guess I find when I watch it.
No, I'm good. One for the road.
Cheers.
Well, we're boarding our last flight. 3 weeks of travel, back to Ohio. Hey, Dad. Hey.
Hey.
Oh, no. Oh. Home sweet home.
You're down. I'm so happy. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Hello, puppy. Tanner, chill, bro. Well, we've been through Christmas already, but we just came home to More Christmas. B&H for the win. Some new stuff. And we're about to have Christmas with the Lutz fam.
It's pretty light.
Well, we've been back in Ohio for less than 24 hours. And now we're about to take a 2.5 hour drive up north to Toledo. Travel just never ends around the Lutz family, does it?
Never.
Here we go.